There's Dad. God. Is that nice? God, you feel like they're coming at you.
What can I do with my bitches and watching the fireworks? How cool is that?
He was on my video. Yeah, will do.
They're beautiful.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Oh my god, these ones are coming down at us.
They're not brave.
Yeah, they are. Go, this is on the red. Look, we got the police on camera now. Yeah,
say hello, Mr. Policeman.
Police squad. Long.
Stop in the name of God.
No space left.
Yeah, I have.
I have as well. Okay. I'll just do it with you.
Oh, use this easy.
Oi, look at these beautiful things now. Beautiful.
I like the big, massive bang ones. Them are the best.
The big, massive bang ones.
Yeah, the pink and yellow
Who are
and
you
grey.
ringing?
They are so nice.
Who are you on the phone to?
Hi, babe.
Who is it? It's Kev. Kev.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Love you, Daddy.
Kev loves you too.
Love you more, Daddy. Chloe. Daddy. Daddy, no mate.
Oi. I've been in no trouble lunch lovers.
Daddy cool. No, Daddy cool. Daddy cool.
You aren't even fucking video cameraing them.
For your information, yes, I am.
Your information, Chloe. Everything.
Ah!
Woo!
See you in a bit, Dad.
What did he say to you, kid?
Oi, it's all gone. Whoa.
Chloe said he's dead disappointed in me.
Oh,
What did he say?
you little dog.
On the phone.
Yeah, you're a little twat.
What's it done now? Prove it.
Prove it. Prove it.
Prove it.
Prove it. Prove it. Prove it.
Show us your call.
Prove it. Prove it.
Yeah, but it was Kev one and Kev
It was Daddy Cool.
What does she want?
We could call Kev earlier.
What does Danielle want?
Let me look at
What
your
did she
phone.
say?
Let me look. It was Danielle and all. Oh, there's just fireworks.